Hi, my name is Nick George with Cloud Diamond Sharpening. Just to show you a little video of why you need to get your clippers serviced. So this is an Andis AGC. It's my test clipper. You can see there's some modifying going on here. But anyway, we're here to see why these clippers go bad. So let's go ahead and take it apart. Okay, so look at this. This is a field. It's a magnet. Or it could be a coil and it would be AC, but this is DC, direct current. So basically it needs a magnet instead of coils. It doesn't get hot, it doesn't use a fan. But the reason you have to service all your clippers is because right here, I can't touch it because it's plugged in, but right here is brushes. What they do is put continuity to the middle of this motor shaft, and this spins this. So when those wear down, they're carbon brushes. Carbon is a good electricity conductor and it deteriorates so it doesn't eat up the brass commutator or whatever it's made of, copper or whatever. So then it gets built up in here and it's like a blanket. And so then it gets built up in here, causes heat. This middle shaft starts warping and then it starts having vibrations. Also, you need to get it serviced because your blades eventually hit right here so many times being engaged that it pushes it in, and then the blades wobble, and you have to replace this. Another reason would be the play in this. See, my clipper's pretty bad. See how it's wobbling? It shouldn't do that. Now the bearing's locked. Now I can move the bearing. No, I'm not talking about that. I lock the bearing to one side and I wobble it. See? So that's going to leave lines in your cut and you're going to have to go over a few times, and all your blades are going to do this. It doesn't matter if they're sharp or not. Also, you service it because you want to get this switch running right, clean out the residue in the switch, you know, do some adjustments, and so that's basically why you need to get your clippers serviced.